JD here from the Casual Cruisers, bringing info on the double points promotion from Royal Caribbean. The Crown and Anchor Society is doing a double points promotion, and there's some information you need on this. The booking period is between July 21st and July 31st of this year. So this week, basically, today is July 22nd of 2026. This is for sailings departing on September 1st, 2026 through April 30th of 2027, and there are limitations and exclusions. So again, the booking window, July 21st to July 31st of this year. Sailing window is departures on from September 1st, 2026 through April 30th, 2027. Some limits: it's only applicable for up to 2 cruises during the promotional sailing period. Excludes transatlantic and trans-Pacific sailings, and it may be combined with certain things: the BOGO 60, the kids sail free, free third and fourth guests, promotional onboard credit, next cruise offers, instant savings, and resident/military/senior discounts. Sometimes they have discounts for military, first responders, or depending on where you live, such as Florida or California or other places. It cannot be combined, and this is the important one. It cannot be combined with complimentary cruises, employee rates. Here's a big one: casino offers. So if you have a Casino Royale offer, it cannot be combined with that. The also cannot be combined with seminar rates or travel agent reduction rates. If you use a TA, contact your TA and see if maybe they can get you some additional stuff like OVC, or if you just want to do it through the website. Understanding this is a big promotion and it's causing the website to have a lot of traffic issues. You just got to be patient. Or you can work again through a TA if you use one. Just want to bring you this information. It's a exciting little opportunity to help you move up in the Crown and Anchor Society a little bit quicker if that's your goal. Otherwise, have a great time, and as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.